Okay? Ating tulitin. Face yes. Pwede ka, zero piece ka. This is my tingin mo. This is my tingin mo. Kahit nakasli ko na ito. Right, Lindo? I-groom natin siya guys kasi ano na ito siya, paalis siya mamaya mga alas 5. Kunin na siya ng bumili sa kanya. No. This one is not food. Mapitan natin siya guys ng ano, ng coco. I-groom natin si Rainbow. I-groom natin si Rainbow. Rainbow is 4 months old. Rainbow is 4 months old. Right, Rainbow? No lah. Bye-bye. Good girl, ha? Good girl. Clever girl, Rainbow. 4 months na ito siya, guys. Yes. 4 months na si Rainbow. Rainbow, come here. No, come here. You don't jump up, okay? Oh, love. Bo, sit down. No, sit down. Sit down, ha? Cut nail first, okay? No, Rainbow. Stop it. Stop your nonsense, ha? No. Rainbow. Mas cut nail, okay? Kupitan ako guys at saka mga no, Step. No. Rainbow. No. Stay. 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 No, jump up. No, jump up. Rainbow? Stay. Stay, Stay. See. Later you drop in, you know, Stay. Good girl, good girl. Go. No, no, no. Rainbow, ah. Rainbow, stay. No, ah! Ang hirap, guys. Akala nyo, ang hirap mag... muscat nail, okay? Muscat nail first. Ah! Ah! No, no, no. Rainbow. Rainbow. Okay. No, 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 no. Rainbow. Stay. Good girl, ah. Clever girl. No. Rainbow, stay. Stay. Stay, Rainbow. Stay. Yeah. Come here, come here. Bo. Mama. Mama. Good girl. Ha. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Này. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Ganyan guys, kahirap pag husky. Kasi mga malaking breed. At saka papi pa sila. Show your face to everyone, okay? You see, you show to them how pretty are you, okay? You show to them. Don't be stubborn, ha? Don't be stubborn. 4 months pa lang kasi siya, guys. Kaya parang ang kulit-kulit, ang likot-likot. Are you listening, ah? Are you listening, ah? Ah? Listening also lah, ha? Are you listening, ah? Huh? You good girl, right? You must be good, okay? Ah? You must be good. Ah, ang sweet. Akala nyo ang sweet nito sa kanya. Ah, sobrang bait nito. Hey, Rainbow! Ah! Sobrang bait. Tingnan nyo guys, yan ang basta iguro mo siya, kailangan neat ang mga paa niya. Na kailangan dry na dry siya kailangan show dog kasi ito. Kailangan dry na dry siya. Kailangan dry na dry, yes, is a Rainbow, ha? Yes, kailangan. Kailangan i-dry na dry itong mga makukulit kong aso. Yes! Yes! You also. You also. Ang husky, easy lang, easy lang yan sila, ang ano lang, ang blowing, ang difficult. Kasi ito sila gupitan lang yung mga mahaba nga buhok nga balance, tapos, yan ang kuha, panya. Dahil ka, nula, no need already, you see. Tingnan nyo guys, ang po niya nan. Kailangan gupitan ang kuko, tapos ang, ano niya sa ilalim, ang buhok, kailangan niya, para neat, and clean. This is my husky. Yes, Rainbow. Okay? Good ka. Guys. Guys, last ko na ito kasi kunin na ito mamaya siya 5 o'clock. Kunin na ito siya mamaya 5 o'clock. Be a good girl, okay? Be a good girl. See you in the show, okay? Gusto niya na guys Gusto na niya magbaba. Wait, baby. Wait, baby. Okay, later, Yung kapatid niya doon sa loob. Si bye-bye to everyone. Si bye-bye to everyone, Rainbow. Yes. Inside first. No, Rainbow. Inside first. Sila guys, yan ang ating mga alaga guys. See, yan sila. Kapatid yan. Basa kasi yung sahig, kaya ilagay ko muna sila sa loob. Basa pa. Yan lang guys ang mga alaga ko. Naka-cage. Pero dito yan sila. Malapad yung kwarto nila guys. Ilagay ko lang doon kasi ang hirap guys. Ang basa pang sahig, linisan ko pa siya. Yes, Rainbow. Yan lang, guys. Yan ang aking mga alaga. Yes. Yan. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone, for the love, for the support. Okay? Please subscribe, share, comment to all my videos, guys. Thank you. Love you all. Bye-bye.